Okay, so I am going to demonstrate how you can access Numpy array in C++ files and return a Numpy array from C++ file to Python file using Pybind11. First of all, we need to make a test folder, then inside the folder we clone Pybind11 repository and create main.pyr8's main.cpp CMake file and build folder. In CMake file mention minimum CMake version, project name, directories to be added, and Pybind11 module name. Importing Pybind11 and Numpy and exposing the modules to Python side. Function can be exposed by handle def method, where we define function name at Python side and reference in CPP file. Now, let's create a function returnant that returns an integer value. Then we expose the function. This time, our function has same name at Python and CPP side. If function returns 7 at Python side, then we are on right path. Inside build, I create a file build.bash so I don't have to type commands again and again. OK, Python file successfully returned 7, and we move to next part where we are taking a Numpy array as argument and manipulate its values. Now let's create a function manipulate Numpy array, which takes a Numpy array and manipulate its values. Calling the function at Python side. This time, the function name is different at Python and CPP side. Okay, our array is not manipulating. The problem is in our CPP file. We accept the Numpy array as double means float64 dtype. If we change data type of Numpy array to float64, it runs perfectly, or we can change double to ENT in CPP file. Note that float32 is float in CPP and float64 is double. We successfully manipulated the Numpy array. Now we move further to create a function that returns a Numpy array. In the function, we generate the array and put some value to it and return it. This should be able to return a Numpy array at Python side. We are returning a 3x3 Numpy array. Let's make sure it's a Numpy array. And what is its data type? Data type should be float64 as we define double in out CPP file.